Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering the iPhone and connecting it to your computer with the original Lightning cable. This reduces connection errors. Once connected, make sure Finder or iTunes recognizes the device, and if prompted, choose Trust. Enter the passcode on the phone. You want to capture the iOS version and any on-screen messages because that directs the recovery path. If the device doesn't appear, try another USB port and check system report. Don't proceed until the computer detects the iPhone. You should attempt an update via iTunes or Finder first because it reinstalls iOS without wiping data. That often restores access. If update fails or stalls, place the iPhone in recovery mode by holding home and power until recovery mode appears, then choose Restore only if update cannot finish. If data is critical, stop and create a disk image of the device storage using forensic software on the computer before any destructive steps. This preserves a snapshot for later analysis or specialist recovery. You finish by verifying the phone boots normally and then immediately perform an encrypted backup to your computer and an iCloud backup. Encryption preserves passwords and health data. If the phone is stuck at the Apple logo, try device firmware update mode and image again before any restore attempt, because DFU can recover deeper issues. If repeated attempts fail, stop and consult a data recovery specialist. Continuing writes can overwrite recoverable data. One key tip: document each step so a technician can pick up.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.